Noon, we're punching in a bit of time and getting a bit of exercise. Ben is going to do the bleep test. We've got a speaker on the top of the car giving us the time when he's to turn and all the rest of it. We've measured out 65 feet and it's from here to the wall, and he's ready to rock and roll.
The stage fitness test will start in 5 seconds. Ready? Start level 1.
So the idea is to do as many lengths of this as possible.
Level 1, 2. Level 1, 3.
You have to turn every time it bleeps.
Level 1, 5. Level 1, 6. Level 1, 7.
Now I'm going to do it, obviously I'm going to do it after he finishes. Not.
Start level 2, 1. Level 2, 2. Level 2, 3. Level 2, 4. Level 2, 5. Level 2, 6.
Obviously the time between the bleeps gets shorter and shorter.
Start level 4, 1.
I would,
Level 4, 2.
I think this is a sort of a form of torture.
Level 4, 3. Level 4, 4. Level 4.
But he's young and fit, and it is boring being in lockup. And you can't go anywhere, can't see your mates. So,
Level 4, 7.
I suppose this is good exercise, good employment of time.
Level 4, 8. Start level 7, 1. Level 7, 2.
I used to do jogging whenever I was a lot younger,
Level 7, 3.
and
Level 7,
used to do 8, 9, 10, 12 miles.
Level 7, 5.
I used to run
Level
with
7,
a chap called George Kilpatrick, and
Level 7,
we had good
7.
times, good chats. The furthest I ran in preparation for the marathon, we did several half marathons, 13 miles. The furthest I ever ran was from Stranmillis out to Seaford, which was about 22 miles, and it was on a hot day, and I ran the whole distance. I left George at about 14 miles, and I thought I'd left him behind, but he rang for his wife, and whenever I got to his house, having completed the 22 miles, he was up in the bath. I could have killed him. If I'd have known that his wife was coming for a lift, I'd have got a lift too. Keep her lit. I'm with you.
Level 10, 11. Start level 11, 1.
It speeds up, you see. This is torture. This is torture.
Level 11, 3. Level 11, 4. Level 11, 5. Level 11, 6. Level 11, 7. Level 11, 8. Level 11, 10. Level 11, 11. Level 11, 12. Start level 12, 1.
Level 12.
Level 12, 2. Level 12, 3.
Oh boy, I just could not stand the turns there.
Level 12,
Now
4.
he's finished. He did
Level 12, 5.
he did 11
12-3.
12 3.
Level 12, 6.
And is that above average?
Level 12, 7.
So yeah. Got 11-5 last time.
So he's improving. Did 12 3. See if you can match that or beat that. Now he has built up to that. The last time he did this, he did 11 3. So 12 3's what? I don't know, 7 or 8% better. Or no, 12 into 100. 12 8's. Something like that. Okay. Fun during lockdown.